Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. My name is Christiana Sage. On this channel, I will be teaching about international law, and these teachings will be in the form of short weekly lecture series. Over time, I will be surfacing varied concepts of international law. When and where applicable, these concepts will be analyzed and brought to you as it relates to current trends in international law as they arise. At the end of this lecture, you will find the transcript of the lecture in the link below. Also, for current trend and analysis in international law, you can subscribe to my blog. All the details you will find in the comment section below. For the 30th lecture in this lecture series, we will be discussing about regional systems. In the last 7 to 8 lessons, we have talked about the United Nations and how it organizes its affairs. We address issues of its formation, its mandates, and its primary organs through which it carries out these functions. The United Nations focuses on a mandate that is international in scope. In the following few lessons, we will be addressing regional systems. Our focus will be on the African regional system of the Americas, and the European regional system. To provide some clarity, we will answer this question: what are regional systems? As the name implies, regional systems are systems developed within regions to reflect values, pursue causes and realities that are specific and local to the region. We could say that they are bespoke. Though developed within regions, these regional systems are part of the global ecology. They provide layers for addressing a host of issues which are indicative of a specific region in the world. It is important to note that regional mechanisms within regional systems are multifaceted, quite like the global mechanism. Quite often, regional systems are thought about only in terms of human rights mechanisms. It is important to note that the regional human rights mechanisms form only one aspect of the various mechanisms developed within regional systems. These regional systems are also organized around several law and policy issues, including matters pertaining to social issues, health issues, and economic issues, such as questions of the regulation of cross-border trade, tariffs, and even transnational mobility and portability of benefits. Regional systems could also lead to the establishment and/or facilitation for developing strong institutions within member states. Thus, regional systems can wield a powerful influence on their member states, perhaps in an even more cohesive way. The emphasis on the importance and preservation of cultural and institutional factors, regionalized assets, localized learning processes, and ways of addressing issues are also some solid arguments favoring regional systems. Also, some other reasons for the argument in favor of regional systems include emphasizing the importance of knowledge and learning at the local level, localized inventions, unified front in dealing with other regions. Without a doubt, regional systems, as with everything else, are not without their pitfalls or fuzziness, but they make an excellent argument as collaborative and cohesive units united to address common issues. In the next few weeks, we will be unpacking the mandates of the African regional system, European regional system, and the Inter-America regional system, as well as how they organize to carry out their mandate.
So I want to say thank you so very much for joining in. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified when there's a new video. We would also like to connect with you on Facebook and Twitter. Let us know the content you like to see. Thank you.